Hey there, this is Jan with Orlando Flooring Gurus coming back to you with another flooring renovation project. Today we're in Windermere transforming a one-car garage into a home gym. We are installing a half-inch rubber tiles and can't wait to show you. Let me show you how this goes. All right, so prior to gluing this floor down, we don't just glue it straight away. We have to lay it out like a dry fit. This way we can see if there's any color variations in any of the tiles that we can mix around, and also any factory blemishes that might show up. So let me show you how we lay it down. All right, dry fit is complete. We're ready to apply adhesive and get these tiles down.